The Einhell GECT 1828 Li-Solo cordless grass trimmer is part of the versatile PowerXChange system, allowing flexible use of compatible batteries, chargers, and devices. Designed for efficiency, it features a 28 centimeters cutting width and a reliable automatic line feed system that maintains optimal thread length for precise and consistent trimming results. Its 180 degrees rotating and three-position tilting motor head provides excellent adaptability, making it easy to trim lawn edges, borders, and hard-to-reach areas with accuracy. Powered by an 18-volt battery, the trimmer delivers high performance with speeds of up to 19,500 RPM, ensuring clean and efficient cutting. Despite its power, the tool remains lightweight at just 2.3 kilograms, offering comfortable, low-fatigue handling during extended use. Additionally, the durable metal flower guard helps protect flowers, ornamental plants, and other sensitive areas while trimming, ensuring both precision and care in your garden.